So we've been in business for 5 years this year. What have you learned over the last 5 years?
Give me a second to think about that one. What have I learned in 5 years?
I think that over the last 5 years, we have learned a lot.
The key thing hasn't changed, which is focusing on business outcome. To that end, what we've learned is investing more time upfront to learn about the business model, the goals, the intricacies, the nuances of the business, because that will have a downstream impact on how we go about data.
We're always working with different kind of companies, different kind of people, different kind of problems. And so it's always new ways of working, new ways of thinking about problems.
We have also formalized a lot of processes. So I think that's an effort that we've been doing over the last 5 years, from seeing so many clients.
We take it for granted because we've been doing this, most of us, for decades, and it is just part of our DNA, is part of the everyday thinking. Because we have to work with a wider team to curate the code, peer review the code, so understandability and all that is very important to us. So we tend to do that in our, when we build our pipeline, because it's our best practices. But what we're increasingly doing now is actually formulating those best practices, passing it to the companies. So they're not just in code, but they're in book.
I think that we've got best practices installed. I think somebody new joins the team and very quickly they are adding value to us as a company. I think that we're very clear on how we add value to the client, which is always the thing that I'm annoying you about on every project, which is, well, how do we add value and how do we get back to that? And we've really re-looked at all of our process and how we work and making sure that we're always framing things around the needs of our clients and their customers ultimately.